This conference will now be recorded.
Yeah, hi, hi, good morning. Now I'm going to start the class. Okay, myself Gokana Reddy, and I do have around 9+ years experience in the IT industry. Today we are going to discuss about the Power BI demo class. And today I will show you what is Power BI and why you need to choose Power BI and what and all advantage using the Power BI and why not Power BI, why only Power BI, why not other tools, right? I will tell you one by one. Let's share my screen. It's not at all giving us option. Yeah. Yeah. First of all, we'll discuss what is Power BI, right? What is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool, BI tool, which will help us to analyze the data and clean the data and convert convert the data into visual format. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool which will help us to analyze the data and clean the data and convert the data into visual format. You guys clear, right? In simple words, like Power BI is a business intelligence tool which will help us to analyze the data and clean the data and convert that data into visual format where the users can able to use the visualizations based upon the trends and trends itself. Okay. In other terms, Power BI is a collection of components. In other terms, Power BI is a com- collection of components, power power query, power pivot, and power view. Power BI, in other words, Power BI is a collection of components. Power BI components, what and all? Power BI query and Power Pivot and Power view. Okay. Power query is used to act as like ETL tool. ETL stands for extract, transform, load. ETL stands for Power Query, which is used to, and it acts as like a ETL tool. ETL stands for extract, transform, load, and where the data has a like null records and blank records and empty records. Power Query is with the help of the Power Query you can clean the data, whereas a null values and blank records and empty records, we can clean the data to better visualization. In terms of Power Pivot, Power Pivot is used to connect the tables and connect the different tables and establish a relationship between them. Connect the different source tables and establish relation. It's like as a modeling. It's like as a modeling in case of say sequence or analysis, right? I will send you the link how to understand the how to establish the dimension tables and fact tables and how to split the dimension table and fact tables and how to establish relationship between the fact table and dimension table in later sessions. So for just understand the what is Power Pivot. Power Pivot is a connect the different source tables and establish the relationship between them. Power is nothing but it's a visualization. Visuals. Power is the one last one is the visible, and one more is the Power BI services, which is used to sharing the sharing and collaboration, collaboration the reports. Power BI services it is used to sharing and collaboration reports to okay. In simple terms, Power BI is a business intelligence tool which will help us to analyze the data and clean the data and convert the data into visual format. In other words, Power BI is a combination of components, like a collection of components, which and all like Power Query. Power Query it acts as a ETL tool. It acts same as a ETL tool. ETL tool is used to clean the data and transform the data, like where the data has like null records or empty records or blank records, so you can clean the such unwanted data. Okay. And one more is a power pivot. Power pivot, it acts as a like data modeling data where it comes to like connect the different source tables and establish a relationship between them. And power view is a visualization. It's drag and drop. Just we are going to visualize the data in terms of like visual format. And Power BI services is used sharing and collaborating the reports to the end users, like clients or users, whoever the business end user wanted to analyze the data. Okay. And basically, Power BI is a like self-service cloud-based tool. Cloud-based means the Power BI services will be hosted in the like Azure Power BI services. So we can call it as a like Power BI is a self-serviced cloud-based a business intelligence tool. It's a cloud based, not in on premises. Even on premises, which is also available on premises. Okay. Basically, we can in general terms, like Power BI is a self-service, like business intelligence tool. Why only Power BI? I will tell you the five reasons. Why only Power BI and why only Power BI? Power BI. Why not others? Like we have a lot of visualization tools available in the market, like Quickly, Cognos, like Power BI, and Tableau. These are all the like reporting and analysis tools only. Okay. Apart from all the, why only Power BI? Why not others? And why should you jump into the Power BI? Okay. I will tell you the five reasons or six reasons why only Power BI. In terms of cost, Power BI is the cheapest tool which is available in the globe market. Power BI is the cheapest cost and the cheapest licensing cost when compared to the other tools in the global market. It's hardly $10 per user per month. It's hardly $10. It's hardly $10 per month for one user. It's hardly $10 per month for one user. It's very cheapest tool in the market. When you are purchasing the bulk of licensing, the price would become calm down. It might you if you are going to purchase the bulk number of licensing, right, you may get like $5 or $6 at the time of purchasing bulk. Okay. Another reason, it supports maximum features. It supports maximum features. Maximum features. Right? We can create 200 plus visuals. We can create 200 plus visuals, where these many visuals doesn't available in the other tools. It supports maximum 200 plus visuals and 1200 functions, including tags or m functions. I will tell you the what is DAX function, what is matchup language functions in later session. We will discuss one by one clearly. So far, you just understand what are all the supporting features and what is the limitation, right? It supports 200 plus visuals and 1200 DAX function. These many features doesn't support in other tools. Okay. Power BI is the one only tool to support uh, these features available, not supports. These many features available only Power BI. Third one, data connectivity. Supports the plus different sources. Different sources. Either the source would either it would be like SQL Server, either it would be like Excel, either it would be CSV file, either it would be Outlook, either it would be SharePoint, either it would be like Access DB, Oracle, or MongoDB, or JSON format, like web URL, whatever it may be, whatever the data, what the data is available in different sources, it doesn't matter. For which support the 100 plus different sources. And if you wanted to visualize the data, if you wanted to do some kind of visualization in front of the client, right? If you wanted to convert the data, if you want to clean the data, you need a data. If you wanted to if you wanted to develop some kind of reports or dashboards, for the base we need a data. Where you are getting the data, where the data is available, it should be in like SQL Server database, or Oracle database, or Teradata database, or Linux database, or some kind of web URLs, or SharePoint, or MSDB, or AccessDB. Like it's suppose like 100 plus, where the data available, it doesn't matter. It supports 100 plus differences. It means we can fetch the data, we can pull the data from different variety of sources. Next, cost, in terms of cost, in terms of maximum features, in terms of connectivity. Yeah, I will show you the one Gartner link which is available in the internet. I will share the why only Power BI. I will show you the link. I will share the link. Power BI is a like a recognized Gartner Magic Quadrant. So I will show you the trend. See here, you guys able to see, right? Microsoft Power BI is the leader. Is the leader. It's placing a major role apart from the other tools. And I will show you one more link. Google Trends. Instead of 12 months, I can keep past 5 years. In India, you can see the growth, how the Power BI is. See, from the starting, it's keep on growing. It's keep on increasing only when compared to Tableau. See, you guys are able to see this. W is playing a constant. It's constant. It's not growing. It is not downward. When compared to Power BI, when like Power BI is keep on growing, increasing, and it plays a major role in the market in terms of Power BI and reporting or analysis tools. And how it works, how it works, how it works. I can divide it into two parts. I can divide into two parts. One is Power BI desktop version. Two parts. One is Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop is a developer tool which can be installed, which can be downloadable and installed. Power BI desktop is a developer tool where you can develop your reports or dashboards in your local PC, local system, which can be downloadable and installed. Okay, and one more is like Power BI services. Power BI, Power BI services. If you want to co-sharing and collaborating the reports over the organization. If you wanted to share the reports to the so and so end users, then we need to deploy. You need to publish your reports into Power BI services from where you can share or give access to the end users clients. Okay, Power BI desktop is a developer tool. Developer tool means where you can, it is a platform. It is a platform where you can develop the reports or dashboards. So if we wanted to develop a report or dashboard, we need a data for sure. Without data, we can't develop any reports or dashboards. For that, we need a data, right? Data would be like already told you, right? Either it would be like CSV file or Excel or even SQL Server. Power BI supports like 100 plus different sources, right? Excel, CSV file, SQL database, Oracle. Likewise, it supports 100 plus different data sources. Once you pull the data into the Power BI desktop from, you can start developing. You can start cleaning the data. Like Power BI is a business intelligence tool which will help us analyze the data and then clean the data and then convert the data into the visual format. Right? Once done the development part, once you develop the reports, for sure, if you wanted to share that report to so and so you end users, for sure we need to publish the report into the Power BI services. This is the flow. Power BI. Once you done your development work, then publish the report into the Power BI services where you can share and collaborating. use reports to end users, Power BI services. End user statement will be someone so and so client site. User one, just giving you some example, we can share a number of reports. How many users have a licensing? You can share the reports to them. User two and user three. Basically, Power BI, I can say how it works, right? I can say Power BI is a, I can divide into two parts. One is a Power BI desktop, which is a developer tool. It can be downloadable and install. If you wanted to develop any report or dashboard, for sure we need a data. Either the data would be either it would be like Excel or CSV for a database, SQL Server or Oracle or PostgreSQL, MongoDB or JSON files, or web URLs. Web URLs nothing but APIs. That APIs we're calling. We can pull the data from APIs also. Once you pull the data into the Power BI desktop, then you can clean the data. You can clean the data. Clean the data means in terms of Power Query. By using the Power Query, you can clean the data. Cleaning means you can clean the unwanted data. Unwanted data means it's a null values or blank records, right? It's duplicated data. You can delete or you can clean the unwanted data, which the data doesn't want it to your reporting purpose. You can delete the delete the fields also, delete the null values also, delete the empty records also, delete the duplicate records also. You can convert the data, you can transform the data, and you can split the data. You can change the data types also. Everything everything by using the Power Query editor. It like as a ETL, extract and transform load. Once you done the development part, for sure we need to share that report to the end users. For sharing the reports, you can't share the report in within your laptop, right? For someone I wanted to access that report, which is not at all possible to access that report into your local laptop, right? For sure you need to keep that report into global accessible location for sharing location. The sharing location would be Power BI services, which is a cloud based services. Already I told you, Power BI is a business intelligence cloud-based services. Cloud-based. Power BI service is a cloud-based service which is available and which is resides in Azure, Microsoft Azure Power BI services. Once you publish the report or dashboard into the Power BI services, from there you can sharing or collaborating to the users. From where you can access and you can give access and grant access to the users, and where you can create a workspaces. I will tell you one by one what is the workspaces, why you need to work, what is users work, workspaces in later session when it comes into the Power BI services. For now, just understand what is Power BI services. Power BI services is a, it is used to sharing and collaborating the reports to end users. And I will show you how to download the Power BI. So uh, the introduction is over. If you have any doubts, please feel free to ask me. I will clarify what and all doubts in your mind. Did you guys getting me right? You guys understood what is the Power BI and why you need to Power BI? Why only Power BI? Why not other tools? Why should you jump to Power BI from different reporting tools available in the market? Okay, I will tell you. Like I explained all the things, right? Why only Power BI in terms of cost, in terms of maximum support feature, in terms of connectivity, in terms of like I will show you the trends, how the PowerBI is growing rapidly.
Yeah, bro.
Okay, and now next part, installing PowerBI, PowerBI desktop, installing PowerBI desktop. I will share all the notes along with the recorded video also. Okay, no problem. Installing PowerBI desktop. How to install PowerBI desktop version. We'll share the link also. It should be available on like a Microsoft Docs or Microsoft Store only. This is the complete free tool. Like PowerBI desktop only is the complete free tool only. It doesn't require any licensing and all. Licensing in terms of like PowerBI services, like PowerBI services. If you want to share the reports, then it comes into the subscription or licensing part. This is the one like I will PowerBI desktop is the one which we are going to. It is asking us to allow the open the Microsoft Store. This is the link, right? We'll keep all the links inside the docs notes. There is the Microsoft Store. Even though instead of choosing the direct download option, you can choose the uh, advanced download option. Also, you can choose. You can choose either one, no problem. I'm showing the two both ways. From here also you can download instead of going and take us to Microsoft Store. You can download from when you click here, it will download here only. Instead of taking us here like Microsoft Store, right? From both are same, no problem. You can choose either. It would be like Microsoft Store or it would be like advanced developer tool. You can choose any option. It might be this is the one way is the easiest way to download, or else you can click over here. It gets download install. You just click install like as our mobile applications. Same. If you wanted to see the progress, how much percentage completed, click on this button like downloadable button. From over here you can see the progress. Yeah, see it is PowerBI desktop starting the downloading. You guys can choose either anyone or direct download option, or you can choose the advanced download option. If you guys face any errors with first option, then you can choose the second option, advanced download option, right? Let's see.
How many members join? Wallet of ban pass with you. మీతో పెట్టుకోండి count చేసావా? Whatever. Screen ని పెట్టేస్తావా నాకు?
From here also you can download. Let me hit the download button. This is the 64-bit version. And here it is, seems very slow. Let me cancel this one. Let me install which I downloaded, right? Let me open. It is like a pretty straightforward vanilla installation. How we are installing our apps, like click on next. The same pattern here also we can follow for installing the Power BI desktop. It is opening. Seems it is not at all completed. Let me take a pause. Yeah. Okay. And one more thing, Power BI is it's a GUI, like Power BI, it's a graphical user interface. It's completely everything can be drag and drop. Everything you can drag and drop. Everything you can drag. No need to write any code. Now, every code has been written inside the visualizations. Microsoft has written all the code inside the all the code inside the visualizations. No need to write any code. I'll show you the opening. Just click on the accept button and click on next. Next, no need to give anything over here. It's just a pretty straightforward installation. Click on install. It doesn't take much time. It might take only 1 minute or less than 1 minute. Let it install. Mm,